my name is Nivedita and I've been working as a program manager with an NGO. I've been married for 2 years now, and I joined recently to get certified as a soft skill trainer. But prior to joining, I can say that my life was nothing short of a living hell. The partner I had, first and foremost, I had a partner because not out of my choice, and I was forced into that. Nevertheless, I tried to adjust myself and compromise as much as possible to get the family going, get the relationship running. But I found support from nowhere. Neither did I have a partner who could understand what my needs are, nor could he show enough love and affection. Basic humanity was something that was totally missing from my partner. And there have been times when I've been seriously ill, and even though him staying, just next to me, he could not, or rather, he would not make any efforts to even check on me. Ask small questions like, would I like some water, or would like to go to the doctor. In fact, there have been times when I was ill and I was driving with him sitting next to me, and the excuse he can give us, I don't know the route. So any such instances would be followed by excuses that can be termed as lousy. So I never had any kind of warmth or any kind of affection from my partner, which totally, and apart from this, I was also tactfully and meticulously made to leave my high-paying job and ensure that I was dependent on him for my own needs. I could not even have enough money to probably go eat some chaat outside. And faced with such double standards, wherein if I can actually give you an example, it would be I can say that there have been times when he has emptied an entire loaf of bread. But just soon after finishing the bread, he will say, maida is very bad, bakery products are bad for your health, you should not buy them. When I'm saying this would actually sound like a very small issue, but when such instances happen on a recurrent basis, okay, if this was a small issue, there have been instances wherein we were constructing a house and we had to go and choose electrical fittings. And him being money-minded and stingy, I ensured that I asked him multiple times to accompany the engineer and me while we go and select the electrical fittings. Multiple times, I would have asked him at least 15-20 times, but every time he just said, no, I have meetings, I cannot join you. And eventually it so happened it was just me and the engineer who went to select the electrical fittings. I even ensured that from the point of sale, from the shop, I called him and said, look, these are what I'm planning to buy, and it is not costlier, which is what you would prefer, because you definitely are more interested in how much a particular fitting would cost rather than how it would look at the house. So look, this is what I've chosen. This is the best looking among the lowest category of fittings available. I've WhatsApped him, I emailed him, I called him, everything from the shop. So after I got an approval from him over the phone is when I just placed the order for the fittings. But once the fittings arrived and once the actual fitting of the electrical started, and once we got the bill from the engineer, he started off, why did he have to spend so much? Do you really need a light there? Do you need a fan there? Well, if he could not join me, he had no rights to question me on that. Instances like this are manifold. The basic baseline of a relationship is trust, love, warmth, such things that actually make you feel better, and it should make you a better person. I believe that any relationship should make you as a better person, but that was not the case with me, and I was pushed into acute depression. But so acute was the depression that I even became suicidal. However, thankfully I had enough sanity in me to realize that yes, I was getting into depression, I was getting into this state of mind. That is when I started, searching around for a good coaching place. I really didn't want to go to psychiatrists or doctors because they have their own profession. I actually wanted someone who can understand, who can actually empathize with me and understand what is it that I'm going through and help me out of this situation. So that is while searching Google, I found, and in fact, when I went through the website, I found the soft skill trainer part to be more enticing to me than than relationship coaching at that time. So I thought, okay, why not? And incidentally, at that point in time, they had a certification course open as well. So I thought, okay, why not? Let me just go ahead for the soft skill trainer certification, and in the process, and inquire them about the coaching as well. So that is when I enrolled myself for the SST training. And that has been a life-changing experience for me as well. Although I have been a trainer before, the things that I learned here helped me so much. And that is when my trust on the institution and on Mr. Prakash increased manifold. I knew that I have reached the right place. So during the course of my trainer certification, I inquired with Mr. Prakash as to how can we go about coaching me out of the situation I'm in. Well, I can say that is the best decision I've ever made. He immediately understood what is it that I'm going through. He empathized with me totally. I'm not sure if I can say this, but I don't think any parent would be able to, understand it so well. So he actually, sat with me, ensured that, we had all the points written down. He delved deep into my mind and found out what is it that was, depressing me so much. What are the beliefs that was hindering me? Why is it that I reached this situation when, me being the kind of person I am would normally have not permitted this to happen at all. So with all these points in place, we could have a clear path ahead as to how to move about. I'm really out of words to say how is it that this has helped me, but this has been completely life transforming. My goal is set, my path is seen, my path is shown. In fact, even prior to even getting married, for that matter, I had no clue. I had no clue about anything in this world. I didn't know what is the path I have to take. I didn't know what I had to achieve in life. But once I joined here, once I got coached by Mr. Prakash, everything is clear. It's like 1,000 different gates and doors and windows have been opened at the same time. So everything is, just out there for me. I just have to walk my path and reach my goal. So everything has been set now. My vision is clear, my mind is clear, my soul is, if I can use the word, purified. I mean, this is the best. I know what I'm doing. I am on the right path, and it's all thanks to Mr. Prakash. Thank you so much.